fights.
So full time here at Llandudno as Aberystwyth 3, Llandudno 2. I'm here with manager Neville Powell. Nev, it feels great to be able to interview you after a victory.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming, hasn't it? But you know, the players have waited for that, and I think they deserved it today. You know, recent weeks we've had improved performances, you know, and even when we were 2-1 down, we were still forcing the game, and we probably didn't deserve to be 2-1 down. So I'm pleased for the players. You know, it's a good victory away here all the time, and you know, first half I thought we were very compact and controlled parts of most of the game. You know, we went 1-0 in front and we've let them in. They've had the 5 or 10 minute spell of the game, and we conceded 2 goals. We thoroughly deserved to get the win in the end.
Football's a game of confidence, and you can see at the start of the game the heads are down a bit. But how important is that victory now going forward?
Well, there's a lot of confidence in the dressing room. You know, the two last league games against Ballard and Barry, we've been unlucky, and as you said, there's nothing. The dressing room's fine. And it was just a matter of getting that first win. And football is about confidence. You know, it is about winning games and losing games. And as you say, if you start losing games, you get in a rut, and it's hard to get out of it. But there's lads in there with the ability and the confidence to get us out of it, and there's plenty of experience. And you know, it was a good game today. The lads kept going, and you know, we thoroughly deserved our 3 points, and hopefully it'll kick us on now.
And 2 of the goals came in the last 5 minutes. You must be pleased to see a team going for the full 90.
Well, that's it. You know, even when it was 2-1 down, we were still creating chances, and you know, we had that bit of luck today, which we probably haven't been getting. You know, Ryan Wade's crossed one and it's hit the lad and gone in, and you know, Johnny Spittle scored the winner where it could have been a free kick. So, you know, we were due a bit of luck, but you know, on average of that game today, we deserved the victory, and you know, the players were really good for us, and it's just nice to get that first win. And it's only 3 points, it's nothing. You know, we're still in the wrong position, in the wrong half of the table, so you know, we've got to prepare right for TNS next week, and make sure we work as hard and stick together like we had today, and we'll see what comes of it.
And obviously we got that game against TNS next week. Home win would be nice to have, but it's obviously going to be a difficult task.
It'll be a difficult task. It always is against TNS, but you know, we'll prepare in the week, and you know, we're not just going to go and sit there and let them come and attack us. We'll try and force a game to them. So we're under no illusions. You know, they're the champions, and you know, they like playing on the 3G pitches, and it'll be a difficult game, but we can go into it in a lot of confident mood, and now we've got the 3 points today.
Nev, many congratulations, enjoy your evening.
Cheers.